Hello everybody, welcome to my official YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing us or coming across our channel here on YouTube, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you. So in today's topic, we are bringing you how to set up a customized and optimized YouTube channel. And to set up a customized and optimized YouTube channel, you need a Google account, a Gmail account. With Google account, you have YouTube account. With YouTube account, you have the YouTube channel. From there, you can set up and customize your YouTube channel. You are still going to make use of your browser, your Google browser or Chrome, any of the browser that you are using, but make sure that you will use it to sign in to your Google account. So you can see on the screen here, you can see on my screen, this is my browser here. For you to optimize and customize your YouTube channel, you must use a Google browser, and this is my Google browser here that you are seeing. So let me show you how to set it up now. You will type youtube.com. that is what is showing on my screen now. So you will send it. You can see that it have loaded. This is my Google. I've typed the URL of the YouTube and I've sent it. You can see where the arrow is directing to. Then you are going to touch it. You are going to touch it. I've touched it now. After it have opened something like this, you can see on my screen, this is my YouTube on my browser showing right now. You can see it here. This is my YouTube. You can see it here. So you are going to touch your profile. This is where you locate your profile. You can see where the arrow is directing to. This is where you locate your YouTube profile. If you have not signed in before, after you have typed youtube.com, then you sign in. Then after you have signed in, it will direct it here, and you will touch your profile where the arrow is directing to. So I'm going to touch the profile now. So I've touched it. You can see on my screen here. You can see on my screen here it's showing account, which is the first phrase. Then you see everything here. The first one here is showing your YouTube channel. The other one, which is the next one, is showing switch account. Then the other one at the bottom is showing get YouTube premium, purchase and membership. Then the ending one here is showing your data in YouTube before you see the privacy policy terms of service. You are going to touch your YouTube channel. This is where your YouTube channel is located. You can see it here where the arrow is pointing to. I'm going to touch it now. The name that you use for your Gmail account, when you are about to create your YouTube channel, that the same name will show up to you. The name is showing here now. This is the name that I used to open the account. You can see it here where the arrow is pointing to create channel. You are going to touch it. I've touched it. You see a new screen have opened to me. Scroll it up. You will scroll it up. You see create a video. You have created your channel now. So for you to customize it and optimize it, you will switch to a desktop mode. You that is using a mobile phone to be creating your YouTube channel, you must switch to a PC mode or a desktop mode for you to customize your channel. With like this, you have created the channel, but you cannot customize it with a mobile version. After you have converted it to a PC mode or a desktop mode, your phone will be acting like a system, like a laptop. I'm going to switch to a desktop mode now. Touch this up here for you to change your mobile mode to PC mode. I'm going to touch it now. You can see on my screen that I've touched it. You see another option at the corner. Scroll it down to where I will switch it to a desktop mode. So you can see my desktop mode here, where the arrow is pointing to. This is where to change to a desktop mode. You touch this box, you take it. When you touch it, it will change to a desktop mode. I've touched it. You can see that the browser is loading. See that it's loading on my screen here. It's still loading. So you can see I've switched to a desktop mode. You can see that the difference between this desktop mode and the other ones, you can see at the corner there is a big difference. You see the difference between the two. You see the difference between the two. You know, the other one said that I create video, but here is showing that upload video to get started. Upload video, you can see, you see the details here. And the mobile mode, you are not seeing all these things at this corner. You only see it at the bottom. So when you have switched to a desktop mode, just like what is showing on my screen now, for you to customize your YouTube channel, you are going to type studio.youtube.com. That is what is showing on my screen now. You can see it here, studio.youtube.com. I'm going to send it for it to carry me to a YouTube studio. You can see that upload and see that upload. Then you see everything here. This is my YouTube studio. You can see this is YouTube studio. This is where you customize your channel, your YouTube channel. You will go to your left right side. You will scroll it up. You will touch here. You scroll it from here to scroll it up. You will from here to scroll it up. If you are using desktop or you don't need to scroll it, you will see everything there. You are going to touch it for you to customize your YouTube channel. You can see that it's showing customization. After it upload, which is basic info, you will touch it. So I'm going to touch it now for you to see the name that I've used to open my Gmail account. The name is showing here. You can see it here, save document. That is the name that I used to open the Gmail account. And this is the name. If you save it like this, this is the name that is still going to appear on your YouTube channel. If you don't want this name to be your YouTube channel name, then you have to change it. You change the name to your channel name. You change the name here to your channel name also. Then you put your description for your channel. You add link that you want people to be seen on your channel from here. Then you put your email account that you want customers to be contacting you. Then after that, you enter this branding. You upload your watermark image that will be appearing at the right hand corner of the video prayer. Any image that you are going to upload here, it will be showing at the right corner of the video that any viewer is going to be praying on your YouTube channel. Scroll it up. You set your picture, the picture that you want people to be seeing on your YouTube channel. You set it here. Then the next one, YouTube banner image. This image will appear across the top of your channel, either in a smart TV, in a laptop, or in a phone. Then you upload it. After you have uploaded it, touch on this option here. This particular option here, you touch it for you to add popular video. So I'm going to touch it for you to see. You see popular video, you touch it. After you have touched it, it will appear under. You can see it here. This rubbish. After you have touched it, it will save. Then after you have saved it, make sure that everything that you are going to touch, both this basic, the branding, and the layer, after you have filled the form, you publish it. You enter the basic information. After you have filled it, you publish it. The branding, you fill it, you publish it. The layout, you also publish it. Then after that, you look for setting at the bottom of your browser. At the bottom, the down side, you can see it here. You can see it here for you to see. I'm touching it now. It's loading. This is where you are going to select the currency that they are going to pay you with. After you have set it, then you scroll it down to channel. What is showing the main option, the main basic option for you to set up is feature eligibility. Here you can see here, feature eligibility. You touch it. Then you are going to fill it. No any future update that is coming up on YouTube. After you have allowed, you have filled it, you have uploaded your document like your ID or video verification, then YouTube are going to be updating you with any of these features. So you are going to touch it. You scroll it up. The standard feature is enabled already. Let me show you. You can see it here, enable. So you are going to scroll it down. Also, you are going to see the second option, intermediate feature. It's not enabled. You can see it that you have to enable it. So you will touch it. After you have touched it, you can see requirement. To get intermediate feature, you need standard feature enable and verify phone number. So you will touch this particular option here. You will touch this option where the arrow is pointing to. Where the arrow is pointing to, you are going to touch it for you to verify your number. So after you have verified it, scroll it down again for you to enable advanced feature. You are going to upload your ID or face verification or any other means of verification. You are going to upload it through this place here. So you will touch it, which is the number 3 here. You will touch it. After you have touched it, it will open. Then you scroll it down. Requirement to get started with advanced features. You need intermediate feature enable, and one of these video verification, valid ID, channel history. So if you want your channel to verify in 1 day time, you do a video verification or valid ID. But if you want your channel to be verified like 1 month, 2 months, then you leave it to the third one there. After you have verified it, then you enter this advanced setting, allow viewers to click on my content. Then the other one here, you scroll to basic info. In the basic info, this is where you select your resident, which is your country, where you are staying. You touch it, then you select the country. You select the country. So after you have selected it, after you have selected your country, then you insert your keyword. The keyword, if your channel is about politics, then you set keyword concerning policy. If it's for a spirituality, you set keyword concerning spirituality. Anything that the channel is all about, you set a keyword that related to your channel. After you have done that, you save it. You touch this button arrow here. The button arrow, you touch it. After you have touched it, let me show you where you save it. Here, you touch this save. After you have touched it, it will save. Then after you have saved it, that is all. You have successful customized and optimized your channel. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that when we upload next video, you'll be the first person to see it. Thank you. And on our next video, we are going to show you how you can work from home. And this is free. I've been into this business for some months now.